Sri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class.
Exercise 8.3 first Roman letter evaluate. First subdivision sin 18 degree by cos 72 degree. So what the first subdivision is given? Sin 18 degree by cos 72 degree. We have to evaluate the given trigonometry ratio. Now I am going to take sin 18 degree converted into a complementary angle. We know that complementary angle sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. Here instead of theta place is 18 is there. So cos 90 minus 18 by denominator I didn't change anything. So cos 72, that is equal to 19 minus 18 72. Therefore cos 72 degree by cos 72 degree. Well, cancel, I will get 1. Second Roman letter tan 26 degree by cot 64 degree. So here is also I am going to change tan 26 degree into a complementary angle. We know that complementary angle formula tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. So here theta place is 26 is there. So cot 90 minus 26 by denominator as it is I am writing cot 64, that is equal to for 90 minus 26 64. Here cot is there, so cot 64 by cot 64. If I cancel, I will get 1. So next one, third one, cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Third subdivision, cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. So here is also I am going to change in a complementary angle. We know that complementary angle cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta, which is equal to sin 90 minus 48. So second trigonometry ratio I didn't change anything. So as it is I am writing sin 42. This is equal to sin 90 minus 48 42. Here minus sin 42 is there. If I will cancel, I will get 0. Next to fourth subdivision, cosecant 31 degree minus secant 59 degree, that is equal to for, we know that complementary angle cosecant theta equal to secant 90 minus theta. So here secant 90 minus theta place is 31, so minus 31 degree minus secant 59 degree, that is equal to secant theta place is 90 minus 31, that is 59 minus secant 59. So minus plus will cancel, answer 0. Sum number 2, show that first subdivision tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree equal to 1. So first subdivision, I am going to take the left hand side quotient. What the left hand side quotient is given? Tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. So I am going to select which two angle if I will add, I will get 90 degree. So 48 plus 42. If I will add, I will get the complementary angle. Complementary angle means is 90 degree. So I am going to select this first term, converting into a complementary angles. So what is the complementary angles formula? Tan theta equal to cot 90 minus theta. Here instead of theta place is 48 is there. Therefore cot 90 minus 48. Next one, if I will add 23 67, I will get 90 degree. So I am going to change tan 23 also it's a complementary angles. So cot 90 minus theta base is 23. So 23. So next two terms I didn't change anything. Then tan 42 degree. Then tan 67 degree. Which is equal to cot 90 minus 48 cot 42 into cot 90 minus 23. 90 minus 23 67 cot 67 into tan 42 into tan 67. So cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta is the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of cot theta? 1 by tan theta. So that is equal to 1 by tan 42 into 1 by tan 67 into tan 42 into tan 67. Tan 42 cancel, tan 67 by tan 67 cancel, I get 1. So what is the left hand side question is given? Left hand side is equal to I got 1. So what is the right hand side is given? Right hand side is also 1. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence prove. Second subdivision, what the question is given? Cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree equal to 0. So I am going to take the left hand side question. What the left hand side question? Cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree. So here this cos 38 degree I am going to convert into a complementary angle. So cos theta equal to sin 90 minus theta. So here sin 90 minus theta base is 38. So this one I didn't change anything. So cos 52 minus here sin theta, that is sin 38 is it. So we know that complementary angle sin theta equal to cos 90 minus theta. So here cos 90 minus 38 sin 52. So sin 90 minus 38 it is equal to for sin 52. Next one cos 52 is as it is there minus cos 90 minus 38 cos 52 into sin 52 is there. So here minus cos 52 sin 52, here plus sin 52 cos 50. I can cancel both sides. That is equal to for 0. This is left hand side answer. What is the left hand side answer? 0. What is the right hand side is given? Right hand side also 0. Therefore left hand side equal to right hand side RHS. Hence prove. Sum number 3. If tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. So first what is given here? Tan 2a equal to cot of a minus 18 degree. So here is tan, here is cot. So this tan I am going to change in a cot terms by applying the complementary angle. Tan theta equal to cot of 90 minus theta. So here cot of 90 minus theta place here 2a. So 2a equal to cot of a minus 18. But question we ask find the value of a. Here cot is there. I have to remove the cot both sides. So multiply cot inverse on both sides. So cot inverse into cot of 90 minus 2a is equal to cot inverse then cot of a minus 18 degree. Here cot inverse cot inverse cot cancel. So remaining 90 minus 2a equal to a minus 18. So I am going to collecting the term 90 minus 18 comes, that is plus 18 equal to already a is there. Here minus 2a comes that side plus 2a. 90 plus 18 that is equal to for 108 equal to a plus 2a 3a. Therefore a equal to 108 by 3. Well, use 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 6 3s are 18. Therefore a equal to 36 degree. At the same time we got it is a acute angle only. Sum number 4. If tan A equal to cot B, then prove that A plus B equal to 90. So what is given first? Given tan A equal to cot B. We have to prove A plus B equal to 90 degree. So how I am going to prove this one? Proof tan A equal to cot B. So I am going to select one term, then I am going to convert it into complementary angles. We know that complementary angles tan theta equal to cot of 90 minus theta. Here tan A is there. So cot of 90 minus A equal to cot B. But I have to prove only A plus B is equal to 90 degree. But here cot is there. So I want to remove that cot. So multiply cot inverse on both sides. If I multiply cot inverse then cot of 90 minus A equal to cot inverse then cot of B. So I can cancel cot inverse cot. Here is also I can cancel cot inverse cot. So remaining 90 minus A equal to B. So next step 90 equal to already B is there, minus A comes that side plus A. Therefore A plus B equal to 90 degree. So prove. Question number 5. If secant 4A equal to cosecant of A minus 20 degree, where 4A is an acute angle, then find the value of A. So what is given first? Secant 4A equal to cosecant of A minus 20. So we have to find the value of A. So here secant 4A is there. This secant 4A I am going to change in a complementary angle. We know that complementary angle secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. So here instead of theta place is 4A is there. So cosecant 90 minus 4A equal to cosecant A minus 20 degree. So here is cosecant is there, cosecant is there. I want to remove both sides cosecant. So I am going to multiply cosecant inverse on both sides. That only I can cancel. So multiply cosecant inverse on both sides. Therefore, cosecant inverse, then cosecant of 90 minus 4a equal to cosecant inverse of cosecant of a minus 20. Here cosecant inverse cosecant, cosecant cancel. So the remaining 90 minus 4a equal to a minus 20. I am going to collecting the term. Here 90 is there. Minus 20 comes that side, plus 20. Already a is there. Minus 4 goes that side, plus 4a. Therefore, 110 equal to 5a. We have to find out the value of a. Therefore, a equal to 110 by 5. We'll use 2 table, 5 table. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, a equal to 22 degree.
Sum number 6. If A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine of B plus C by 2 equal to cos of A by 2. So, what is given? ABC, interior angles of a triangle ABC. So, we know that angles are property. Angle A, that angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. We have to prove sine of B plus C by 2 equal to cos of A by 2. So, what is this side? B plus C. So, I am going to keep the B plus C this side 180, then A I am taking that side. So, minus A. Next I am doing divide 2 on both sides. So, B plus C by 2 equal to 180 minus A by 2. So, next one B plus C by 2. If I divide 180 by 2, 90 minus A by 2. So, next one I am going to multiply sine on both sides. So, sine of B plus C by 2 equal to sine of 90 minus A by 2. So, sine of B plus C by 2 equal to, this is for sine of 90 minus A by 2. What is the complementary angle of sine of 90 minus A? Cos, that is sine of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Here theta represents A by 2. So, sine of 90 minus A by 2 equal to cos of A by 2. So, we prove sine of B plus C by 2 equal to cos of A by 2. Question number 7. Express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometry ratios of angles between 0 degree and 45 degree. But here question is given sine of 67 degree plus cos of 75 degree. We have to express the angles of 0 degree and 45 degree. So, sine of 67 degree plus cos of 75 degree, which is equal to the sine of 67 degree. I am going to change in a complementary angle. So, sine of 90 minus 23. Sine of 19 minus 23, that is equal to for sine 67 plus cos of, this is also I am going to change in a complementary angle, 19 minus 15. Cos of 19 minus 15 equal to for cos 75. So, what is the complementary angle of sine 19 minus theta? Cos theta. Here theta represent 23 plus cos 19 minus theta sin theta. Here theta represents 15. So, sin 15. Now, you check, I converted in the angles between 0 to 45 degrees. See here 23 degrees coming, here 15 degree is coming.